Hey there, I'm Demitri, and I'm with the Demitri team at Keller Williams. And how'd you get here? Well, you probably got one of my marketing pieces, and it brought you right here. Could have been Facebook, could have been some email we sent you, could have been a text message, whatever. But you're looking at buying a house, so you're here, you're in the right place. Now, here's the deal. We not only have houses at good deals, but we have houses that have assumable mortgages. Now, what does that mean to you? Well, if you can get a house with an assumable mortgage, it's let's just say it's 3%, and the current rate is 3, or it's twice that. So let's say it's 7%, right? Your money goes further. So, for instance, what you might qualify under a 7%, let's say it was 200,000. Well, under a 3%, you're going to qualify for 400,000, right? It's going to double because of the interest rate. It might even be better than that. So it's to your advantage to have the availability to buy a house with an assumable mortgage. Now, they're not going to come in easy and cheap like they do with, hey, let me go get an FHA loan and all I need is 3.5% down. You're going to need to come to the table with some dollars. So this is going to work for people that have some cash. Typically, as a minimum, you're going to have 15% down. That 15% is that's the magic number. Usually the gap between the balance on the mortgage and the purchase price of the house could be $100,000, could be $200,000. Now, sometimes that exceeds that 15%. Not a problem. We have a program to be able to make that work so that difference that's missing between the 15%, we can do a second mortgage in many cases that make sure you get there. You end up with a blended rate. So let's just say your blended rate out of the whole thing is 4.5% as opposed to just the 3. Well, that's okay. You're getting into a house you couldn't get into before at a great rate. And what's really important is it is your monthly amount, the thing that hits your paycheck every single month, is what's actually the benefit of having that assumable mortgage at the lower rate, because we've now just reduced that significantly, sometimes 50%. All right, look, let's get started. Let's get you started. Let's say, hey, I am definitely looking for a house. I got some cash. I got a questionnaire we're going to ask you. We're going to get you all set up. If you're ready to go buy a house, you're ready to get that done, let's get started. Click that button and say, hey, I'm ready. Let's get started. All right, hope you have a terrific day.